Welcome, friends, to another fantastic listing at 675 Melanie Lane in amazing Altamonte Springs.
This beautiful one-bedroom, one-bath condo has just under 700 square feet. You have your own personal carport, and you're gonna love the upgrades inside. The tile floors are beautiful. That chef kitchen is amazing. You do not compromise anything. Plus, you have a nice private background. You don't back up to anybody. You're gonna love it.
It is amazing. I love that kitchen, and the bathroom tile, also beautiful. Located just off of Orinal and Maitland Avenue, this home is right between 436 and 434. It's also a short distance from 1792, giving you easy access to wherever you want to go. You're real close to the Altamonte Hospital, Uptown Altamonte, the Altamonte Mall, 2 movie theaters, all the shopping and dining experiences you could ever desire are right at your fingertips. Come on in, let's take a look at this unit together. Follow us. Well, friends, thanks so much for checking out this listing. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite feature was. I'm torn between this absolutely gorgeous kitchen and the super high efficiency AC unit that was just put in.
Me, I'd probably be at the pool or in this beautiful backyard.
Thanks so much for checking it out again. Give us a thumbs up, and remember, share with your friends who are looking to buy. They'll be so happy you did. We look forward to serving your real estate needs. Talk to you soon.